Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over s plus number 3. This one we have the power number 2. So on numerator, we need to reduce by negative number 1 of the power. That means we have number 2 minus number 1. And that's why we have s. Later that we need to reduce the power into number 0. That's why we have c. So we need to consider the power, the highest power on the denominator, and then we can know what is going on in this one. Later that we do common denominator. So this one, it is missing about s squared plus 1. So capital 8 multiplied by s squared plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 3. So bs plus c multiplied by s plus number 3. And this one, we can put like this. Now, we need to expand this one. And this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we can put like this. About s, we have 3b and c. Now, we need to compare coefficients. We have 5s. That means this one equals to number 5. We have the numbers. This one equals to negative number 5. We don't have s squared. That means a plus b equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of a, b, c. So 8 equals to negative number 2, b equals to number 2, c equals to negative number 1. So we put a, b, c gone here. So 8 equals to negative number 2, b equals to number 2, c equals to negative number 1. And now we can put like this. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 Fn of the absolute value of s plus number 3. The next one, we have Fn of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. And the last one, we have negative octane of s. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.